Good morning, guys. What's up, everybody? This is Jason Cruz, and I'm right here. Some crazy hill. Yeah, and it's also happened to be a water pond. I'll show you from the front. Crazy hillside, a water pond. And I used to e-bike power to walk up here. All right, it's cool. Parking spot between the trees with a nice bench. Gonna have some food and drinks. It's beautiful view side, peaceful and quiet around here. Very nice. Yeah. This is Jason Cruz, and if there's something interesting, gotta go through the forest. So, why not?